Let's face it, guys, to be able to build a new website or redesign an old website, you have two options. The first one is you can start learning the paths and principles to website design and development. Hi, my name is Gloria, and on today's video, I'm going to be educating you on the paths and the principles to website design and development. Now, there's two parts to a website. There's the front end and the back end. So if you're looking to learn website design and development, you can become a front end developer, a back end developer, or you can become a full stack developer. Now, it's usually advisable that you start from the front end. So for the sake of this video, we're going to talk about front end web design and development. Front end developers make use of tools like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript to build front end. Now, the HTML stands for the Hypertext Markup Language. This is actually the building block of your website. The CSS, on the other hand, is used to add style and beauty to your web page. The Bootstrap helps your website to be mobile responsive. This simply means that your website will take the shape of any device it is opened in. The JavaScript, on the other hand, is a scripting language that you can use to add functionality to your web page. Now, having learned all of this, make sure to stay tuned to our next video where we talk about the back-end web design and development. And another very important thing is you can actually start your journey now as a website designer and developer. Remember what we said, you can start with the front-end web design and development. You can always visit our website or our social media platforms to stay updated and get more information. And until I come your way next time, my name is Gloria. Do stay digitally informed.